If your Google TV suddenly starts showing demo videos, store ads, or keeps resetting settings, it's likely stuck in retail mode. Demo mode, a feature designed for store displays. This mode can interfere with normal use and prevent you from saving settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn retail mode on or off easily on your Google TV. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First up, from your Google TV home screen, navigate to Settings using your remote. Scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Now scroll all the way down until you find Retail Mode. Open it. If you want to turn it on, press on it once using your TV remote's OK or Select button. Then confirm your choice. But if you see that it is turned on already and have been noticing some problems on your TV, then simply turn this off from here. And that's it, you've successfully turned retail mode on or off on your Google TV. If this guide helps you out, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.